Welcome to SnapComms. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a desktop ticker. A ticker is a narrow window of moving text displayed at the bottom of a computer screen. Its short, snappy format is ideal for conveying bite-sized chunks of information and for signposting and hyperlinking to more detailed content within its headline. Let's get started and create a ticker. Log into the Content Manager and select Create Content. Then find and select the black ticker icon. Now select your theme. The theme controls the styles and colors of the scrolling ticker. I am selecting the organizational branding theme, where the corporate identity I have set up in the branding section will govern the look of my ticker. Name your ticker, in this case mine will be New Corporate Video, and select the folder where you want to save the ticker. I will use a folder called Corporate News. Then click Create Content. Now the designer interface will appear with a placeholder for your scrolling ticker. This is where you'll configure the headline. Click on the scrolling text and click the pencil icon. Type the headline or paste it in from an editor. Edit the text. I'll make mine slightly larger and in bold. And then enter the URL which the headline will click to. In this case, it's my New Corporate Video. Now click the preview icon to see how the scrolling headline will look on the end user's screens. I'm happy with how that looks, but I'd like to add a border to the white background of the ticker container. Close the preview. Switch on the designer mode by clicking the pencil icon. Then open the settings cog and choose the background tab. You can use the color picker to select any color you like, or enter the exact hex or RGB value if you know it. But I must follow strict corporate ID, so I will choose the default color that has been set in the branding section. I'd like my border to be 3 pixels wide to properly contain the ticker. Click Done. Notice how I can increase the height of the ticker by dragging the sizing arrow, but the width will always stretch fully across the end user's screen. I am finished designing the ticker, so I will close the designer and move to the right-hand side of the screen. The red indicates the configuration that needs to be set before we can publish. Click Targets and select yourself for testing or a larger group if you are ready to broadcast to your staff. Working through the other configurations, by default the ticker is scheduled to be published immediately for 1 month, but that can be adjusted to meet your needs. My ticker only needs to be available for 1 week. Click Done. The delivery options default to sending the scrolling ticker to SnapComms apps installed on PCs and Macs. The default ticker settings are to scroll at a medium speed from the right, but I'd like my ticker to scroll continuously. The scroll frequency we recommend using is continuous, which means that the ticker will keep scrolling until manually closed by the end user. If the ticker is closed before the full headline is displayed, it will recur at the set interval. Now let's publish and see how the ticker will appear on employees' screens. Click Publish, confirm the settings, and the ticker will appear on staff screens within 2 minutes, showing your breaking headline. Notice how the ticker pushes the open window up so as not to steal any screen real estate. You can add as many headlines as you like to your ticker and organize the headlines in categories for easier reading by your staff. Thanks for watching this SnapComms tutorial. If you require additional help, please email tech.support@snapcomms.com.